So, what you need to make this beautiful ice cream is milk, like about 1 cup of it, 2 tablespoons of sugar, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, pure vanilla extract, ice, quite a bit of ice, not too much, and then 1/3 of a cup of salt, which you can still eyeball with salt. So first, you get the bag of this and you put a cup of half and half, which is milk. We did it with milk at school. And you put it to the 1 cup line and you pour it in. Then you get sugar, 2 tablespoons of sugar. Okay, that's 1. 1 more. And that's 2. Then you get half a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Half a teaspoon. Oh, we don't have half a teaspoon, so I guess I will eyeball it for this time. Okay, that's a whole teaspoon. There we go. And then you simply close it. Safe, carefully, because it's a very spillable bag. And I'm pretty sure you can move all the air in this bag, just so then it compresses better. There we go. Now you have your milk, which you can mix a little bit. Now you get to the ice. Now you should be using a bigger bag of ice to put this in, but we don't have one, so we'll be using an ammo crate. And so what you do with the ice bag is you put ice on the bottom, then you put the bag, and then you put a little ice on top. And the reason why you need the salt is because the salt makes it colder, so it freezes to the perfect texture. And what you'll need is 1/3 of a cup of salt, but we can pretty much eyeball that. I mean, it's not like it's gonna change the taste, it's just to cool it down. If you put too much or too little, it's still gonna taste the same and feel the same. It'll just be the speed. So you just put in, I'll put in maybe, I don't know, salt in it. One more. The ice will make it faster. And now, you simply shake it you spin it to get you want to get like the you can salt and the bag inside to move a lot. So you have to like rotate it. It's much easier in a bag. You might have to go mixing this for maybe 3 through 6 minutes. You want the salt inside to be moving throughout so it won't get stuck in one corner or edge. So, now we check if it is chunky. It is pretty chunky, but it's also a little liquidy, meaning that I still have a little more way to go. So I think I need a little more salt. So you need quite a bit of salt. About 1/3 of a cup of it. Okay? But also making it in this is slower. And when you put it in a bag, you want to make sure there's a little air. The bigger bag should have a little air and the little bag should have no air. Now you can even see there's ice forming on the box. That's pretty cool because the salt really makes it colder. Now let's open it and see if it's...
Okay.
Ooh. It's pretty good. Now, what you want to do is, since there was salt in here, the salt could alter the taste. Come here. So what you need to do, you don't have to wash the whole bag. I recommend you put it under cold water to rinse off all the salt. And especially make sure you get all the salt out of this green inner area. Then once you do that, you simply grab a spoon. Excuse me, and come here. Open the bag. Exactly how it is. Look at that.
Chunky.
Whoa. Try some.